Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you how to play the song No Matter What by Ryan Stevenson. So right now I'm going to play the song for you, and then afterwards I'll break it down and explain it to you in more detail. So let's go ahead and get started.
A lot of us grew up believing at any moment we could lose it all. At the drop of a hat, God might turn his back and move on. A lot of us feel like we blew it, thinking that we're just too far gone. I want you to know there's still a hope for you now. No matter what you've done, you can't erase his love. Nothing can change it. You're not separated, no matter what. There's never been a better time to get honest. There's never been a better time to get clean. So come as you are, run to the cross and be free. Oh, be free. No matter what you've done, you can't erase his love. Nothing can change it. You're not separated, no matter where you are. He's always holding on. You're still a daughter, you're still a son, no matter what. Don't know what you've been taught, don't know what you've been told. All I know is my God will never let go of you. No, I don't know what you've seen, don't know what you've been through. All I know is my God will never let go of you. He'll never let go. No matter what you've done, you can't erase his love. Nothing can change it. You're not separated, no matter what.
All right, we're going to be using 5 chords from the G chord family. We're going to be using the G chord, the C add 9 chord, which we want to start strumming on the A string, not the E string, the E minor 7 chord, the D over F sharp chord, and then there's the B minor 7 chord, which we're going to use this variation for. And for this variation, what we're doing is we're playing we got our first finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and then our 2nd finger is on the 2nd fret of the G string, and then our 3rd and 4th finger haven't moved. They're still on the 3rd fret of the B and high E string. Now, one thing you want to remember is that the E and the D string need to not resonate for this chord. So in order to make the D string not resonate, we're going to purposefully mute it with our first finger. So while our first finger is pressing down on the 2nd fret of the A string, we're going to let it lay across and mute the D string on purpose. Usually you do that on accident and it's a problem you have to try to fix. But in this case, we want to mute the D string on purpose. We also don't want that E string to resonate, so we can either just not strum it and pay attention and, you know, start our strumming on the A string, or we can use our thumb to mute the low E string, and that way, even if we accidentally hit it, it's still muted. For the strum pattern for this song, we're going to be using the swing drive pattern, which is a 6-beat pattern. We're going to have 6 down strums and then an up strum after beat 6, and then we repeat. So it's very similar to the driving pattern, but the driving pattern is a 4-beat pattern. Okay, so this, all we're doing is we're adding a couple of beats, we're extending the time signature here. But in terms of what we're doing, it's very similar. We're just all down strums. 6 down strums, and then an up strum added after beat 6, and then we repeat. We also want to put our emphasis on beats 1 and 4, okay? So basically we're kind of cutting the pattern in half with our emphasis, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we repeat. So let me just play that pattern for you slowly while holding the G chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1. All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.